770CC. Yes, that is her name, y'all. She is a new member to our family, so welcome, sis. Welcome. So, y'all, today we are going to make multiple DIYs. So, the first one, we're going to make a tray, and we have bonus DIYs to follow. So, what we're going to do with this tray, we're going to use our diamond wrap, some teardrop beads, and glue sticks, glue gun. Now, this Lazy Susan is of course old. I'm gonna reuse it, and the mirror is already glued on here, so I didn't even take it off. So you know, that's all you have to do is take some hot glue or some E6000 or whatever you choose and just glue it on there. So the first thing we're gonna do is take our wrap, and we're gonna wrap it around the Lazy Susan. Okay, Glam fam, so this is how our beautiful tray turned out. I am in love, of course, because it's just blingy blingy, you know. So we can just go ahead and move on to our next DIY. Okay, Glam fam, so for this DIY, we're going to use these picture frames, mirrored paper, bling wrap, gems, candle holder, and we're going to use a tea light candle also in this X-Acto knife. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is take our two picture frames glued together, and we're going to use some of this mirrored paper on top. Okay, so it's on top here. Okay, so y'all, that is so cute. I think I'm gonna glue it down, maybe, I don't know, but it's fine if I don't. So I think I love the way it looks. It's so cute. Okay, y'all, so let's just move on to our next DIY. Okay, so for the next DIY, we're going to use this little fish bowl or whatever. But anyway, I'm using it because it has G on it. G is for my last name. So I'm going to kind of make it into a perfume bottle, if you will. So we're going to use this, these fairy lights, these crystal gems. We're going to use our diamond gems, crushed diamond or what have you. We're going to use a door pull or a drawer pull, I'm sorry, and our wrap and a piece of wood. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to pour the gems. Let's see, should I or should I not? Should I or should I not? I'm going to pour the, well, I'm going to put this in there. And there are two ways we can do this because I am going to put a top on here, so you won't be able to really get to the bottom of the battery as you please. So you can leave this open if you like, but I'm just gonna go ahead and you know, put the fairy lights in. Okay, so that's how it looks so far. It's just a really simple DIY, y'all. Nothing major, just something to sit on your table or a tray or whatever. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is we're going to take our wrap and I'm going to go ahead and go like from the bottom side and go straight across. So basically, this is not going to be something that is going to be long lasting. I suggest you put a piece of wood in the middle or whatever you have that's strong enough to hold it. I'm just doing this to, just for, you know, this particular DIY. Now, as I said, the lights that are in here, you definitely cannot get to them or whatever, but I would, me personally, you can either leave it open, leave this part open, or either, you know, of course I change up. So I may go in and take this off and just turn the light off of there. I still am able to do that because of the tape. The adhesive. So this is how it turned out, y'all. It's just a simple little thing you can put on your table or whatever. So y'all, I hope y'all like these DIYs. Y'all stay tuned for tomorrow. Well, yeah, tomorrow I'm gonna do my kitchen tour. So please, y'all, stay tuned for that tomorrow. Thank you, and be blessed. Fam, so this is how everything turned out. I think it is absolutely gorgeous. I love the tray. The tray is so cute, and my little fake perfume bottle. I think it is adorable. So y'all know what to do. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more Glam DIY.